Slow cooker hurry chicken. Southern comfort at its finest. Y'all, this may be the easiest chicken recipe that you've made all year. And the sauce is so good. The stickiest, sauciest chicken dinner you've ever put on the table. This slow cooker hurry chicken is sweet and savory. It is Southern comfort at its finest. And best of all, the Crockpot does all the work. This is an easy dump and go. Let's get to cooking. Grab your chicken. You can use drumsticks, thighs, whatever you have on hand. You will want to remove the skin. We are using boneless, skinless chicken breast because, guys, I have a lot of picky chicken eaters in this house. Lay that chicken right down in the bottom of your crock pot. Now we're going to work on that stickiest, sauciest sauce that we're going to throw on this chicken. And it's made with really easy ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. Grab yourself a medium mixing bowl. I am using my large mixing cup and add to it 1 cup of ketchup. Yeah. Add to your ketchup 1/3 a cup of brown sugar. You need a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. About a quarter teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Guys, you can omit this if your family don't like it hot. It's not going to be very hot anyway. If you like it hotter, add more. And that onion soup mix. Now, guys, this is where the magic is. So you don't skip that now, okay? Get your 1/3 cup of water and add to it 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. This is going to be your thickener in this sauce. You whisk this up real good so that all of that cornstarch is dissolved. Pour your cornstarch mixture into your sauce and give it a good whisk. You just mix all of this up really, really good. Pour that sauce all over that chicken. Oh, it's going to be so good. Give your chicken a little toss so it gets some of that sauce all over it. We want it completely covered. Now, how easy was that hurry chicken? Okay, it's a dump and go for sure, and it's going to be so delicious. Guys, you just stick that top on it, click that button. Oh, where's it at? Where's my button? Oh, my goodness. Is that it? Good going. Okay, we're going to set it and forget it. We're going to go live our life. When that chicken is done, it's tender, juicy, and covered in this sticky, sweet sauce that's going to have folks licking their fingers. You can serve this hurry chicken up with your favorite sides, and don't be surprised if people come back for seconds or thirds. The recipe for this will be down in the description. And if you love no fuss Southern recipes, you go ahead, you hit that subscribe button, hit that like so you get the notifications. And until next time, you guys take care and God bless.